As I was traveling to Peru and Alaska for Cause 2016, I wondered how some people do not believe in climate change, even when the evidence is out there and easily accessible. Through my experience as a member of the Coast Guard and my time as a Penn State student, I've experienced many different views on climate change, but one trend kept reappearing. I noticed many people over the age of 50 are less likely to believe in climate change compared to those younger than them. I took time to research this trend, and according to a Pew Research Center survey conducted in 2014, age influences climate change beliefs in the United States. Yet leadership in Washington is skewed towards older individuals. The senior research librarian for the Congressional Research Service reported in 2015 that the average age of House members is 57 and the Senate is 61. Coming back to the Pew Research survey conducted in 2014, those less likely to believe in climate change would be 52 years old now, which aligns perfectly with a lower cutoff age for baby boomers. A different Pew Research survey showed that an estimated 70% of baby boomers voted in 2004, 2008, and 2012, while millennials have voted at rates of around 50% over that same time span. The Census Bureau also reports similar trends when it comes to older individuals voting at higher rates than their younger peers. Growing up, I always knew baby boomers were the largest population in the United States, and as their views went, so did the election. But in early 2016, millennials of voting age overtook baby boomers for the first time in history. This means millennials have the power to elect officials who reflect their views on climate change, but only if we come out in numbers similar to the baby boomers, which seems to be a problem. If younger generations need motivation to vote, here are some projections and likelihoods on the effects of climate change in the future. The Nation magazine estimates an average millennial will lose over $121,000 in their lifetime if climate change continues its destructive path. The Daily Mail foresees 414 cities within the United States will be partially or completely underwater in the next 100 years if sea levels continue to rise. Climate change has the power to affect everyone within the United States and around the world. The Northeast will experience increased heat waves, heavy downpours, and sea level rise. The Northwest will experience sea level rise, erosion, inundation, and increased ocean acidity. The Southeast will observe the most sea level rise, along with extreme heat that will affect both health and agriculture. The Midwest will experience extreme heat, heavy downpours, and widespread flooding. The Southwest will have increased heat, drought, insect outbreaks, wildfires, and a massive decline in water supplies. Millennials will not be able to ignore climate change like the older generations have. We will be the ones experiencing it and paying for it. We need to vote on climate change because we only get one Earth.